Read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating, maintenance or safety instructions could result in serious injury. Close the air valve of the PosiJet. The air leakage must be checked every 100 million px or 2 to 3 months. To check the air leakage of the pistons of the PosiJet, remove the movable main nozzle valve cover. Remove air tube from the PosiJet valve. Place the flow meter. Connect the flow meter to the diagnostic plug. Open the PosiJet air valve. Go to the test page and go to the PosiJet tests. Select manual positioning, activate channel by channel and check the flow meter. The air leakage may not be higher than 25 liters per minute. If higher, the pistons of the PosiJet must be replaced. If the airflow is higher than 25 liters per minute, you have to dismount the PosiJet and do maintenance. To replace the pistons, remove the 4 bolts of the PosiJet. Remove the 4 bolts of the piston housing. Plungers do wear conical. Turn the plungers upside down, assemble the PosiJet and test again. If the air leakage is still higher than 25 liters per minute, replace the pistons with new ones. If the white clamping part is worn or broken, it has to be replaced. Remove the 2 small bolts. Use a metal pin and a plastic hammer to remove the clamping piece by slightly tapping the clamping piece down. The clamping piece is conical, so it will come off easily. The opening of the clamping piece is not symmetrical. There is a thin side. This side must be faced to the weaver's side or to the air tube connectors. I use the old clamping piece to tap the new clamping piece to the correct position. Replace the two small bolts and tighten them. Reassemble the PosiJet as shown. Hand tighten the 4 bolts. Push the top of the nozzles to the back position and tighten the 4 bolts of the hinge part. Check if the top is centered in the piston housing if no pressure is applied. Check also the stiffness of the rubbers in the hinge part of the main nozzle. If they are too slack, you can remove one shim on each side to compress the rubber a little bit more, so the hinge is a little stiffer. Loose the 2 small bolts on both sides. If you have already removed one's 2 thickness plates and the hinge is slack, then it is better to place new rubbers. Reassemble the hinge and tighten the 4 small bolts. Remount the PosiJet on the loom. Thanks for watching this video. Questions or remarks? Please contact us.